So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can change the showcase images of your Fiverr account gigs that you have been already published. Even if the gigs are active, you can easily change them. So you can for this process you just need to log into the Fiverr account from whatever devices that you have been using. You can do the same process from smartphones as well. First, let me open my Fiverr account on my Windows PC. Now this is the home page of Fiverr. You all have been familiar with this. Now let me first switch to the selling account. I just simply need to click on this option of switch to selling. When I click there, now this is the dashboard of my selling account. Now to change the showcase images, I just need to first open the list of my active gigs. So you all have been familiar that on the second option here you're going to find this option of gigs. Just simply click on this option. Now this is the list of all the active gigs that are currently active on your Fiverr profile. So I have currently only one. If I need to change the images over that have been already uploaded as the showcase image, I just need to click on this option over the most right corner and just hit this edit option over the second number. When I click there, you're gonna see a pop window will pop right in front of you, where this is the all edit window. You just need to directly jump to this gallery option. When I'm in the gallery, I just need to either delete here you're gonna see I can upload the new images, or I can easily delete these images as well. For example, if I want to delete this image and add new image, I just simply need to hit the browse again, and from here I can easily add the image. You're gonna see now the image has been updated, and once I have done the changes as per my convenience, I just need to hit save and my changes are going to be saved. For here I want to upload a video as well, so I just upload a video here as well, and once the process is done, I just need to hit save. And by this method you can easily change the showcase images of the gigs that already published or active on your Fiverr profile. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.